One of the benefits of working with Bellwether is that you can get design recommendations, design services. Curb appeal, that's super important. It's important to most homeowners. It's a really fun part about doing the siding replacement project on your home. So there are some design benefits to using multiple different types of products on your home. You might want to use a product like wood tone, which can be pricey while still giving you the benefits of James Hardie, but you might want to only use it as an accent in certain areas. Using wood tone as an accent in certain areas on the home can allow you to have that sort of rustic, cedar looking, mountain looking feel while also keeping the costs down. Maybe you just do it in the gables, maybe you do it just on some corner areas. Doing that can allow you to get the look you want while keeping the costs down. Challenges would be making sure that you're keeping the design balanced. You want to make sure that you're using products that complement each other and lend towards a beautiful aesthetic, good curb appeal. You also want to make sure that you're combining products that are meant to be combined. Sometimes homeowners approach us and they want us to put a really specific custom product on their home. That siding product might require a rain screen, and it might not mix well with a James Hardie application in certain areas, which doesn't require a rain screen. These are factors you want to think about. When it comes to the design aesthetic, you want to think about how James Hardie is just one company, but it offers multiple different design profiles. You could go with James Hardie board and batten product. You could go with their shingle shake. You can go with the lap siding. Oftentimes you can take these 3 different profiles along with up to 700 different colors and combine those to get a really custom, unique look and feel. In short, combining different siding materials for a custom look and feel is something that Bellwether can help you do. There are great tools available like Hover. We can get you renderings, help you really visualize your home, see what it looks like. We can offer recommendations, use our experience to help you avoid certain pitfalls, follow some best practices, and end up with a look and design that you love at a price that you can afford.